yeah, I just parked the car and then I thought, I'm work on the Beamer some more. So what I'm doing right now is, let's see if you can get up. I think someone was trying to put the plastic bumpers on because you have to cut this to do the plastic bumpers, and they're both cut. So it's really, really weird. But yeah, come on, focus, whatever. And I know this is taken off before because it only has one bolt up there. Really weird, really, really weird. Yeah, someone definitely took this off because this side it's also only got one bolt on. Yeah, going over before, this is no buenas. I can tell that it's been done before. I can see all the wear mark from where it's been pushed in, but yeah, it's gotta come off. I think it's garbage. It's really garbage. I don't know, like, it looks like it's been painted. Like, I don't know if it came white or they painted it. Really weird. It's already been drilled. Someone's already done this in the front. But for whatever reason, when I brought it to my house, the bumper started expanding. So I guess I gotta take this off and just have it pressed in. Oh man. Low key, I sort of like the way it looks without the front end. Oh, that's a lot better. Not too bad. Took off the front pieces. Push it in. Of course, it's not permanent. That's just temporary, just to hold it there. I'm gonna take that to have it pressed in the back. Like, just goodness gracious, that thing is super far out. I got one of them popped. That's how it's supposed to look. Still dripping all that liquid. For whatever reason, this side, I got it all the way through, and a bunch of pressure came out, but not that much fluid. It's really weird. It's been more than a couple of days since I worked on the Beamer. Since, maybe in this video, I'll probably throw in this video, but since me taking off the front bumper, drilling the shocks in both the front and the back. That was a few weeks ago. I had surgery, a double jaw surgery. Haven't been able to touch the car since, but here we are. So, yeah, ECS Tuning sent me some goodies. I got clear turn signals, new fog lights, and a new e-brake handle, but mine is cracked. Another thing, I don't know if I showed this already. It's not from ECS Tuning. This is from Garage Listics, but I have their DSSR selector rod, 187 millimeters, supposed to be stock, with a stock selector joint. I believe that's the name of it. For the trans, I don't think I'll throw that in just yet. I don't know if I have enough strength to really do all that, but low key, I'm sort of digging the way the car looks without the front bumper. Looks pretty aggressive. I know one thing for this car needs spacers. And these spacers are different wheels, because that is not my spec. That is definitely not it. That's not the rod. But it should be pretty simple. There's 4 screws. Probably gotta, well, actually I have to go to O'Reilly's or something and get a amber bulb for that, and grab the front bumper out of the car Those fog lights are the wire fog lights, and try to slap it on because one of the brackets is broken. This bracket right here, so we'll see. Not too shabby. One thing I will say, I don't know if I bought the wrong one, but it doesn't fit perfectly. I know I'm supposed to put in this, but this doesn't have the right mounting spots. It needs to be mounted there, there. But I don't know if this is an aftermarket bumper. That could be why. But either way, it's whatever. That looks good enough to me. It's got a little space there, a little space, just space on one side. So, looks fine. 3 feet away, you won't even know, especially be standing like this, you will never really notice unless you're looking for it. This side, you do the same thing. Old, new. Old, new. Not too bad. So I'll finish this up real quick and hopefully slap it on the car without any issues. We'll see though. Here I am now. I got the shock in, or not the shock in, but I got the shock. It's already been drilled. I put a screw in there just to hold it, so that way, I know it's already been drilled before because I saw holes already in it, but I think the heat and there was a little bit of liquid still in there expanded it and actually made it pop out a little bit more. So that's gonna lock it in place, the little screw. This one I tried to put it in and it stops like halfway through, even though I already know all the liquid's out. So I'm about to go rig it and just cut off the end of this. It's getting better and worse because I just noticed this. Let me go inside. See that? I just noticed that. It had no cracks. Now it's got one gigantic one right down the center. What can you do? Not too shabby. trying to see if I want to go X'd out headlights. See how they look. So I dig it. Just on the outsides. I'm digging it. I'm gonna try the fog lights as well. See how they look. If not, I'll take them off. Literally takes a couple seconds, just whatever. That or like that. I think I like that better. Take this off. It'll take a couple seconds. Yeah, I like that better. Before it looked like a box crate or something on the bottom, but now it's clean. That's pretty sick. Oh, I gotta call my dad. Show him this. He's gonna be psyched. Hopefully. I'll put a little X on it. And I got the whole front end on. Oh yeah, and I got the bumper all pressed in. Look, it's completely flush with the bumper. Just got done putting on the new bumper, or not new bumper, the old bumper, but I secured it with two basically like construction screws, because even the stock mounting brackets, it wasn't really sitting correctly. Put two of those in there. I drilled right under here and under here, as you can see right there. There's another one right there. Yep, I pulled it up and it's really solid. It was really solid. Wired everything back up. Hopefully it works. Hopefully all the lights work. I know the upper lights work. I don't know if the fogs work completely, both sides, everything like that, but we'll see. This thing is looking mean though. Oh, that's nasty. Oh my goodness, just look at that. That's pretty sick. Pretty sick. Another thing I don't know if I want to do, I don't know if I want to black these out or buy black ones or keep them chromed. I don't know. I may test it out with the electrical tape, basically like cover it up sort of, like a really cheap way, so I can get an eye, see if I want to keep it that way. Only thing that sucks about this car is, I wish it had a hard top for it, but the front end is so mean, and the back is not at all. But the front end though, so nasty. Just put it up again. It's that view right there. I'm trying to figure out how to get the high beams on. Okay. That's pretty sick. I gotta admit, with the X on the outside, I definitely don't like the way it looks with the high beams on, but I never really drive with the high beams on, so it doesn't matter. Quick little POV drive back to its parking spot, basically. This car by nope. Oh, damn it. Squirt sheets. Always do it to me. This car by no means is done. The reverse is low. Yeah. That's first gear. Yeah, that DSSR should help out a lot. Like, Should need some Viagra. A little loose. But that's basically it.